Welcome everyone, and thank you for sharing your interest in our Accelerated Math and Science program at St. Hilda. First off, what is it? Essentially, we're taking 4 years of education. We're doing grade 7, 8, 9, and then also combining in a Math 10C or a Science 10 into your child's junior high experience. Some popular questions I've been fielding is, do I have to enroll in both programs? No. If your child has a passion in science, you can just do science, you can just do math, or you could do both of them as well. Is enrollment limited? Unfortunately, yes, it is. So act fast. How will you decide who's accepted? Well, we're going to be doing an entrance exam and also a teacher recommendation letter as well. If you want some more information, please make sure you sign in on our school website and you will get some information emailed to you directly. So as you're shopping around right now for different junior highs, you might be hearing enhanced academic program or maybe middle year programs as well. So how is that different than what we're offering? Well, all of them are great programs. I've taught some of them as well, and they all have that same intent of extending the curriculum. The one difference that's nice though is with our math and science accelerator programs, your child will be also receiving high school credit for Math 10C and Science 10. So not only are they going to be extending the curriculum and getting more in-depth information, they'll also get credit for it as well. How do we fit everything in? Seems like our child's doing so much already, right? Well, naturally, there's going to be topics that we can blend together. And once again, if I just look at a math example, in grade 9, a child will learn about the y-intercept or your slope, your rise over run. And maybe your teacher might start to explain an expression of mx plus b. A year later, when they're in Math 10C now they start to develop this linear equation of slope and y-intercept. Well, we can be efficient here and actually just merge everything together. If they have the puzzle pieces here, why not just put together at the same time? It closes the learning gap that some students experience. So why get ahead? Why do more work now? Why math and science accelerated? First off, maybe your child has they enjoy that challenge, right? Maybe they have that passion or love for science and math. This program is then for them. Why science and math accelerated? We like to build and strengthen the skills. So here, like I have a PAT question from grade 5 actually, and here I have a Math 30-1 diploma question. The one on the left, my grade 5 question, I think is more challenging. It's asking you to translate 2 units left, 1 unit down, and also do a rotation, or the diploma question is asking you just to go 4 units right and 3 units up. The grade 5 question is more challenging, and by showing this to our students, by building up their confidence, it sparks that fire inside them and allows them to keep pushing forward. Why science and math accelerated? Now your child is in a classroom of like-minded individuals. Those students are going to ask more in-depth questions, which is going to help build that community of trust. It's going to push each other forward and kind of that pursuit of excellence. And because we have that pursuit and that common goal of excellence, we're going to see minimal class disruptions because we have that shared common vision and goal. Why science and math accelerated? Now, I'm just going to use science in this one as an example. And if your child already does Science 10, what that does is it opens up the option of time. Sometimes high school students don't have the availability to do all the courses they want to. And especially if your child has that passion for science, now by being able to do Science 10 earlier on, now they can do biology, chemistry, and physics at the same time, where before maybe they couldn't do that. Now, if your child is inept to being able to do both math and science, at the same time, the accelerated programs, that's going to open up 2 more of those kind of spares or maybe availability to do options or cores down the road and just lead to a more fulfilling high school experience. So just having that luxury of time maybe might help you more when you're preparing for diplomas. Maybe you want to redo a course, maybe you want to do options, or maybe even do something crazy like calculus and Math 31. Why science and math? Why think about this? Well, again, we want to plan for your child's future. Just looking at some of the top 2020 jobs there were, according to CNBC.com, 14 out of the 20 of them are heavily involved with math and science. This is the way of our future. We're seeing more and more careers that are built off of science and math. Why not get ahead today? So when we say the question, why science and math accelerated, I really think the real question is, why not? Have a great day, everyone.